has gone with a strong lineup here. This is the selection for the away side. This should be an entertaining game. Lukaku. That's a nice challenge there. Let's take another look at that. Messi. That's a kick. His teammates swarming. Rightly so. Great stuff. Well, that's been coming. He'll be pleased getting on the score sheet. Can he add to it? And we're back underway, but how will this team respond? Well, to win the ball back, he's running back for his team. Shoots. Oh, it's hit the post! That's well out by the defender. Lukaku. Now, this could be costly. Good interception. That's great determination. Ramos. Eriksson gets the ball. Messi. Jones! We've gone with another brilliant save. That's lofted upfield. Mbappe. Did really well there. Oh, well timed. Oh, that was close. It's whipped into the box. He should hit that finish. And his teammates join him to start the celebrations. Great goal there. Wonder what that goal will do to the script of this drama. Lukaku. Interception. They're winning. They need to defend well here. What an opportunity! And that is a fantastic goal. Time for a fresh pair of legs. Referee gets the game back underway. Neymar. Not doing easy on the opposition today. They're hungry for more. Oh, he did really well there. Herrera. Oh, determined challenge there. Bale on the ball. Oh, he steps up to steal the ball. Quality defending there. Oh, well timed up. Kept in then. Jones. That is a fine tackle. And the manager's making a change here. Throw-in taken short. Blind. Excellent tackle. Another great challenge. It's a yellow card, no arguments there from the player. Is this the moment? He fought with the save. Let's take another another look at that. Let's see what comes of this now. And he's won it back for his team. This is Rashford. He read that one absolutely perfectly. Determined challenge there. Bale on the ball. He's putting in a man-of-the-match performance. Herrera. The team swap possession. That's well off target. Let's see what difference the change makes. Good interception. That's a crack. That's a safe piece of goalkeeping. Well cut out. And Matic.